Hello everyone, today is German sausage making again. We're gonna make these legendary Knacker, as I was announcing yesterday. We got about over 5 kilograms of finest meat here from the meeting place here in Hillsborough. That's 2 pork butts actually and a pork belly. Got all the spices already in here and has been put in the freezer for a little while, so the stuff is really cold right now, but it does let it easier to grind into our little sausage paste. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and just put all the stuff through here so we can make some sausages in a minute. Alright, see you guys later.